I have done the duckly color vinyl fabric paint while ago, but now. Remove these 2 screws. The cover is off. Remove 4 screws. Buy the wrap from Temu. Feels good. Cut off the wrap as much as you can, otherwise you won't be able to install the undercover. Make sure there's no wrinkle all around the edges. Install the undercover. You need to place 4 or 6 washers in here if you're not able to close the cover easily. Ready to install. Perfect. Prelude.